Hello and welcome to Tech Computer Classes, another session of Windows 7 operating system. And in today's session we are going to cover some applications related to the Windows 7 operating system. Let's get started with the Windows 7 operating system applications. So take your mouse towards Start menu, All Programs, Accessories. Accessories is a part of Windows 7 operating system in which there are some applications over here and some of folders, programmable folders are there in accessories. So first of all, we'll take an application of a calculator. Here you will find a calculator which Windows 7 operating system has given. So this calculator is a basic calculator. Now if you see this view menu, you click here onto the view menu, you will see that a dot sign is seen over here and standard calculator. So this is your standard calculator and this is the shortcut key Alt 1. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 types of calculator given over here. So which is more comfortable in operating system for you, you have to select that calculator. If you want scientific, select scientific, you will find scientific calculator. If you require programmer, you will get a program calculator. Click on view menu again, statistics. Those who deal in data analytic and all, they need a statistical calculator. Normally we use standard calculator. See, I'll just press some of the shortcut buttons. This is Alt 2, Alt 3, Alt 4, Alt 1. So these are the shortcut buttons which we can use from the keyboard, so that you can work very fast. So if you remember or by heart the shortcut keys, then you can work very fast. Otherwise you have to depend on your mouse. You have to go on view menu, click over there, and then the command will get activated. Okay, so now what is history like? Okay, like suppose if I work out, say 23 plus 36, then 56 divided by 6, 12 multiply by 14. So some of the calculations which I have done right now, 3 calculations. If I want to see the history of it, click onto view menu, Control H you can press, or you can select view menu and then select the history. You will see that 3 commands coming onto the screen. You will see that previously which command you had used, and then accordingly we can utilize it. Again coming back, if you want to remove this, again you can click here, history, you will come back to the original position. Clear? Okay. Now from view menu, this is the basic calculator. That's why it is highlighted on basic. Now suppose there are unit conversions over here. Unit convert, select the type of unit you want to convert. Which unit? Angle is there, area is there, energy is there, length is there. I will give you one example related to the area. Now suppose in area, if you select say 1 acre to, what do you want, like say square feet. So 1 acre will be containing your 43,560 square feet. Now suppose 1 acre contains, suppose if you want in square yard, it will be 4,840 square yard. Now suppose if you select square yard, 1 square yard is equal to how many square feet? This is 9 square feet. So this way we can come to know the conversion unit. This is the date calculations. This is the worksheet for the mortgage, vehicle lease, fuel, for the mortgage loan. Suppose if we are going for select the value you want to calculate. Suppose monthly payment, purchase price. Suppose for example if I take 60,000, I want to buy a vehicle, say bike, and I can pay, down payment is 15,000 which I can pay, and for say I will say for 12 months, for 1 year, rate of interest I will say, and I will say calculate. So what will be my installment? My installment will be 3924.89. This is for the monthly payment. Like if I am going for the down payment, something like that, here the calculate is down payment 60, 1 year 8.5, the monthly payment will be here, it will be changed here, the scenario will be changed here. Now if I select say purchase price is down payment is 50,000, 1 year 8.5, and the monthly payment will be 3924. So this way you can take the calculation. So this is a calculator application which you can use it during your operating system. Just close it from here, close from here. So this was your calculator. Okay, while operating, whenever you require a calculator, you can just start here and all programs, go in accessories and calculate, click on calculator, select the calculator as per require, the basic, this way. Okay, so this was your calculator. So here we complete our today's session. Thank you very much.